Okay, so like everyone's heard about this Kepler 22b, right?
Yeah.
This supposed ocean planet.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
the whole thing is just water. I mean, that just blows my mind,
It's pretty wild.
So today we're going to really like dive deep on that.
Yeah.
Get into it.
Let's do it.
And I'm really excited to have you here. You know way more about this stuff than I do.
Well, I'm happy to be here.
So Kepler 22b, okay? It's, what is it,
635 light years away.
65 light years away.
Which is
crazy. Like,
it's hard to even fathom that distance.
yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, so it's like, help me out here.
Yeah, so like imagine our solar system is like your house.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Kepler 22b is a house like in a completely different country.
Wow.
Maybe even a different continent, you know?
That's crazy.
It's really, really far.
So no weekend trips then, huh?
No weekend trips. No, not even with like the fastest spacecraft we have today.
Right.
You're talking like tens of thousands of years to get there.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's a very long way away.
Okay, so we can't like just hop over there.
No.
But let's say, like, hypothetically, we could get there.
Yeah, let's say.
What would we even see?
Well, what we think, based on the observations,
Right.
is that this planet is entirely covered in liquid water.
Wow.
Like, imagine that.
That's insane.
Planet-sized ocean.
So no land at all.
That's what we think. Yeah.
Wow, that's wild.
It is, and it just opens up so many possibilities.
Like what?
Well, for life, right.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, I was reading about these things called extremophiles.
Right.
Have you heard of those?
Yeah, yeah. They're like those crazy organisms that live in like...
The most extreme environment.
Yeah, like volcanoes and stuff.
Exactly.
The bottom of the ocean, like the deepest, darkest parts.
Yeah, they can survive in like the most intense heat, the most crushing pressure, places where like no other life could exist.
Yeah.
So
it's like, could that be a model?
It could be a blueprint for what we might find on Kepler 22b.
Oh, wow.
I mean, think about it. Creatures that are adapted to live in complete darkness.
Yeah.
Maybe they, who knows if the light even reaches the bottom of that ocean, right? So maybe they've, developed these crazy ways to communicate, like bioluminescence.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's really exciting to think about.
So it might not be little green men, but it could be.
It could be something even more extraordinary.
Yeah.
Right.
That's so cool.
And okay.
So I mean, this is all super interesting, but like, why should we even care?
Well, I mean, this is the thing, right? Kepler 22b and other planets like it, they're like puzzle pieces for understanding the universe.
Gotcha.
Like finding a potentially habitable world, even one that we can't even reach yet.
Yeah.
It tells us we're probably not alone,
Right.
It kind of expands our perspective on what's possible.
Yeah.
And raises some really big questions.
Like, what if we could reach it,
Yeah, what if we could?
What would that even mean?
I mean, how would we even interact with life forms that are so different from us?
Yeah.
I mean, it's a really humbling thought.
It is.
Yeah.
It is.
It really makes you think.
So, okay, so let's try to, like, sum this up, right?
Okay.
So, Kepler 22b.
635 light years away.
Super far.
A massive ocean world.
Yeah.
With... the potential for life as we don't know it.
Right. And it's like a reminder that like there's so much out there.
Oh, yeah.
Beyond like our little corner.
There's so much we don't know. And so much left to discover.
And maybe like one day we'll be able to. Like
one day we'll have the technology to go to these places and like see for ourselves.
That'd be amazing.
Yeah.
So until then,
keep looking up.
Yeah, keep looking up.
And keep wondering. That's what it's all about.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thanks for joining me.
Thanks for having me.
It was great chatting with you.
Likewise.
And we'll see you for next time for another deep dive.
See ya.
All right, bye.
Okay, and we're back. So that was really cool, right? I mean, just thinking about Kepler 22b, like this whole ocean planet. I don't know about you, but it just kind of makes me feel small. Like our problems here on Earth, they seem kind of insignificant when you think about the vastness of space and all the possibilities out there. But I don't know, maybe that's just me. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this deep dive, and as always, keep looking up and keep wondering. Because who knows what else is out there waiting to be discovered. Until next time.